You are the most valuable capital. Invest in improving yourself. This is something that no one can take away from you. Warren Buffett. What is the most valuable asset you can have in your life? A car? A house? A career? No. The most valuable capital, you are yourself. And Buffett is here telling us that, no matter what happens, the economy may collapse, things may change, people may leave your life, but the investment you make in yourself always stays with you. So today in this conversation we will be looking for an answer to the following question. How do we invest in ourselves? And how does this investment make us stronger, freer, more successful? 1. Why invest in yourself? It means investing in yourself. Getting to know yourself. To learn, develop, change. It means to transform. No matter how much opportunities the outside world offers you, if you're not getting stronger from the inside, these opportunities lose their meaning in the long run. Don't forget one thing. Everything you have can be taken away. But your personal development is a fortune that no one can steal from you. Your knowledge, your point of view, your skills. These are your unseen riches. And no one can take away this wealth. Here's why Buffett says, you are the best investment. 2. Areas of self-investment. So how about this investment? 1. Mental investment. By reading books. By listening to people who are experts in their field. By being curious, asking questions, learning. 2. Emotional investment. By learning to understand yourself. By managing their reactions. By confronting your traumas. By improving your emotional intelligence. 3. Skills investment. By gaining new skills, software, language, sales, design. By taking what you have to an advanced level. 4. Health investment. Sleep patterns. Nutrition. Exercise. Because don't forget, if the mind is not sound, the body is not enough. If the body is not healthy, your mind becomes inefficient. 3. Examples, the invisible investment behind success. Everyone admires success. But no one sees the invisible investment behind that success. Elon Musk. Not a leader in a single sector, but in 4 sectors. But he did this not with his talent, but with a passion for non-stop learning. He devotes 5 hours every day to reading, researching. If he hadn't invested in himself, he wouldn't have been able to start a car company. Warren Buffett. He reads 500 pages a day. I devote 80% of my time to thinking and reading, he says. What wins investment is not strategy, but mental depth. Oprah Winfrey. Poverty, abuse, difficulty in childhood. But he invested in himself with self-awareness, therapy, learning. Today he has built a media empire. Success on stage is the product of working behind the scenes. 4. Why doesn't everyone do it? Why doesn't everyone invest in themselves when it's so effective? Because the result comes late. It takes effort. It makes you leave your comfort zone. Short-term satisfaction should be postponed. But the beauty of it is there. The more you invest, the more time works in your favor. Just like a financial investment. Knowledge, skill, and discipline also produce compound returns. Take a small step today. But after many years, that step comes back to you as a great freedom. 5. Turn self-investment into a system. Do not make the investment randomly. Be planned. Be systematic. Be determined. You can move forward with these 3 steps. 1. Daily routine. 30 minutes of books every day. 15 minutes of writing. 10 minutes of silence. This 55-minute investment will make you a completely different person in 5 years. 2. Monthly earnings. Learn a new skill every month. Finish a new course. Solve a problem. 3. Annual ID. Ask this question at the beginning of the year. What kind of person do I want to be at the end of this year? Invest in him appropriately. Don't forget, he who does not invest in himself saves the day. But whoever invests in himself builds the future. 6. No one can stop you anymore. When you start to improve yourself, you'll generate more value. It becomes difficult for people to imitate you. You'll have a special for you quality. And no crisis can bring you down easily. Because you have the information. You have the discipline. You have the development. No one can take it away from you. No economic crisis can destroy your inner strength. And this is the definition of absolute freedom. Your biggest debt to yourself. Today, make a promise to yourself. I'll grow up every day. I'll keep learning every day. I'm going to invest in myself. Because I don't owe this to anyone, I only owe it to myself. Invest in self-improvement. Because this is the one thing that no one can take away from you. Warren Buffett. Just don't hear that word. Make this promise the compass of your life. And one day people will ask you this question. How did you become so good? Just smile and say, because I invested in myself.